I'm Jack Farland, and I'm the owner of Farland Classic Restoration. We're here in Englewood, Colorado, and we restore, repair, and sell classic cars. We wanted a small local bank that we felt would be stable and able to deal with our particular business and be responsive to us. And that's what we found in First Western. And it's a challenge to operate because we move a lot of money through the business. So we have to have bankers that are able to act quickly. And we sell a lot of classic cars, and sometimes I'll sell a car that's $2 million or $9 million. We have to make decisions quickly and be able to move quickly. So if I need to move some money to buy a car or something, or wire some money to somebody, I need to do it right now, today. I can't have anything that slows us down. I know different banks have different involvements with the community around them, and I know First Western has involvement because I read their weekly blogs. I think it's important for any group to be involved in their community. It's an easy bank to deal with. They make working with them easy, and they give us the tools. And if we have any issues, we just call them and work through it, and it just gets easier. For us, they're local, they're close. They're easy to get to, phone call away, and I know where all their locations. I've been to their locations and met with people at each one, but they're certainly there and willing to help us with whatever issues we have. I feel like I'm talking to somebody I know. You know, it seems like First Western, they're entrepreneurs too. They're basically a lot like we are. They're not a multi-billion-dollar corporation. They're a group of people that are trying to do something a little bit different, have a little different vision, and I think as a result, they understand us better. I've encouraged people to go check First Western out, especially if they've been with some of these traditional banks. And it's not really much of a hard sell because most of those guys don't have a personal relationship with a banker. They bank somewhere and they get assigned this person or that. So I usually tell them that for us, in our business, it's been so important over the years to have an individual or small group of individuals that you can go to help you through situations and actually help your business grow.